Hi, I'm Peter, and in this video I will show you how to disassemble your Volvo S70 V70 C70 Headlight. I do it because I want to refurbish this headlight. We will go from this to this, from this to this. There will be 3 videos. This one is about the disassembly. There is another video with the preparation for the assembly. That video is about Volvo 850 headlight, but it's almost the same, so I'm not gonna make another. You can get all the information you need from that video for this headlight too. And the third video will be about the assembly process. At the end of the 3 videos, you will see the things you will need: gloves, a flathead screwdriver, T25 Torx bit, and the bicycle tire lever. Important note: you can only do the refurbishment process with an original Hella headlight. Don't try any aftermarket ones. The main reason is the quality of the reflector material. They can't recoat it properly. And who would spend $100, euros, whatever on an aftermarket headlight? Go with the originals. I assume the headlights are already out from the car, but if they aren't, there are many videos on YouTube how to take it out. Just 3 screws and some playing with the angles. After it's out, I recommend you to clean it a bit because it has 25 years of dirt. Let's start the disassembly. First, you have to remove the limiter of the headlight wiper. It's just one T25 Torx. Then you have to take off the rear covers and the leveling motor out. This is responsible for the vertical position of the reflector. You just turn it, move the back up and the front down. You can reach in the headlight to have the knob get out from the plastic. You will hear a click and then you can pull it out. Now you can go for the lens. You will need a flathead screwdriver. Get the clips off the headlight from the back. It's important to do it from the back because this way you won't damage the glass. After the clips are off and the glass didn't come immediately, you have to remove it. Use the bicycle tire lever to separate it from the housing. I do not recommend using anything metal, like a screwdriver, because there is a risk that you damage the glass, and it's the most expensive part of the headlight. And the glass is off. Now you need to get the reflector out. The reflector is in the housing, fixed on 3 points. One point is the leveling motor we just removed. The second point is in the corner of the headlight. It's a little plastic retainer. You just bend it a bit with the flathead screwdriver, pull the reflector out a bit, and it pops. The third point is a rubber connector around the middle. You just pull the reflector out parallelly. Keep it parallel to the housing so you don't break anything. The reflector is out. Now remove everything you have to remove for the recoating process. Remove the connector of the leveling motor with the flathead screwdriver and the springs which hold the bulbs in the reflector. You just push them together until they cross, and then you can pull them out easily. If you have to force it, you are doing it wrong, and it's gonna break the reflector. You're almost done. You just have to remove the cable harness. For this, you need one hand and the flathead screwdriver. You push the connector together, and you push the connector from inside, and it's gonna come out. It's not that easy, but there is nothing really you can break there, so do it. And it's done. The headlight is taken apart. I hope you enjoyed this episode. There are more like this coming. Check the Volvo 850 preparation video because it's almost the same. And I'm also coming with the assembly video. I also plan to make a comparison between an old and a refurbished headlight during the night. If you would like to support my work, like, subscribe, and check the things I sell all over the internet. There are 3D models on Cards 3D, car-themed graphic designs on stuff on Redbubble, and 3D printed products on eBay. Everything is in the description. See you around. Do it.